postures can break the balance of your body, which can cause problems such as back pain, shoulder discomfort, and wry neck. When you experience these problems, you may try to recover your body through massages, exercises. However, you may have to invest a lot of time and money into them. Most massaging equipment that you can easily purchase has a minimal effect on your body. In fact, it is important to know that improper spine angles can cause body pains that you can use for 5 minutes a day, which can comfortably help recover the balance of your body. It is an exercising equipment with an affordable price. Introducing BALANCENAP. BALANCENAP corrects your body posture by relieving the pressure on your nerves. Whether it is your back, waist, shoulder, or neck that is aching, just use it on the part of your body that needs BALANCENAP. It will smoothly relax your muscles. Even just lying down on BALANCENAP will cause the spinal fluid to flow smoothly. Relax your muscles and roll them from side to side. Then gradually increase the range of motion. This increases the acupressure effects and aids the circulation of blood and spinal fluid. It will alleviate the pain and relieve any stress that your body has been experiencing. The core strengthening exercise. First, get down in the plank position and roll the equipment from side to side. Second, the Superman exercise. Third, the leg raise. BALANCENAP has strong durability because it is made out of reinforced plastics. It can easily withstand 500 kilograms of weight.
So strong.
Just work out. BALANCENAP has been designed to allow the head and body parts to assemble and disassemble. It can be used as a massaging equipment. You can even massage your body with a connecting component. The plate that is manufactured with eco-friendly elastomer does not hurt your body and even feels cool on your skin. Also, the external surface of BALANCENAP has been designed ergonomically to fit your body softly in a pleasant manner. It's easy and comfortable to use. Just invest 5 minutes a day to use BALANCENAP. Your body will become healthier. Start balancing your body with BALANCENAP.